Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to give your Wix website a fresh identity, whether you need to update your site's name, tweak those page titles, or adjust your URLs, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to rebrand your site's name and polish up those important details that not only shape your visitors' experience, but also help you stand out in search engines. Let's jump right in and get your website looking and feeling just the way you want. First up, let's talk about changing your site's name. This isn't just for looks. Your site name appears all over your account in notifications and really sets the stage for your brand or project. So from your Wix account's My Sites page, start by finding the site you want to rename. Once you locate it, go ahead and click to open its dashboard. Now look towards the top of your screen and you'll spot a little icon that looks like 3 stacked dots. This is the Site Actions icon. Give that a click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Among the options, you'll want to select Rename Site. You should see a field where you can type your new site name. Take a moment here and make sure the new name really reflects what your website is all about. Maybe you're rebranding to something more professional, or maybe you just want something catchier. Type that in, and once you're happy with it, hit save. Changing your site name is pretty quick, but remember, it might take a short while for all areas of your Wix account to update with the new name. And if you don't see a change immediately on every corner of your dashboard, don't stress. It's just working its way through the system. Now, if you really want to make your site shine, you'll also want to update your page titles and those all-important URLs. This helps with both visitor clarity and your search engine ranking. To do this, you'll need to head into the Wix editor where all your pages live. Once you've opened your site in the editor, take a look at the panel on the left. There's an icon called Pages and Menu. It usually looks like a little page with some lines next to it. Go ahead and click that. This will open up a list of all your pages. Find the page you want to update. Maybe it's your About section or a specific service page. Next to the page name, you'll see another set of 3 dots. Click those to get more options, and from that menu, select SEO Basics. This is where the magic happens for both your page title and your URL slug. Your page title is what appears at the very top of someone's browser tab and in Google search results. Think of it like a storefront sign. It should say something clear and attractive about your page. Update your page title so it's descriptive and includes any keywords you want to rank for. Underneath, you'll see the URL slug, the very end of the web address. Customize this to match your new title, but keep it short and relevant. For example, if your page is about custom cakes is a great, straightforward option. When you're done making these changes, just click Done or Save. And don't forget the most crucial part, hit Publish at the top right of the editor when you're ready. This pushes all your updates live, so visitors and search engines will see your shiny new names and URLs. And there you have it. You've updated your site name, your page titles, and your URLs all right from your Wix dashboard and editor. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and drop your questions or thoughts down in the comments. I love hearing how your projects are coming along. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials that help you build and grow your website. See you in the next video.